Good morning, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google fires employees protesting Project Nimbus, Meta AI engages in conversation on 2E children, CleanMax and Apple partner to accelerate renewable energy adoption, WhatsApp testing, recently online feature for improved tracking, Adobe introduces generative AI video editing tools for Premiere Pro, Android 15 beta introduces Quarantines app feature for enhanced security, Google addresses accidental circle to search activation on Android and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google has terminated 28 employees who participated in sit-in protest against Project Nimbus, an Israeli cloud computing deal. The firings came after a disruptive protest where demonstrators occupied the office of Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian. Google's head of global security issued a memo warning against such behavior, stating it violated multiple company policies. Around 9 protesters were arrested during the sit-in with accusations of retaliation from activist group No Tag for Apartheid. The protest followed the earlier dismissal of an employee for protesting the same project during a company presentation in Israel. A Facebook interaction between Meta AI and a parent in New York City sparked a conversation about TUI children in gifted and talented programs. The AI disclosed having a TUI child enrolled in NYC GNT program, praising the Anderson School for its adeptness in addressing the child's needs. The interaction underscores the significance of AI engagement within communities and its potential to provide insights on nuanced topics. The conversation, initiated by a parent highlighting the role of AI chatbots in facilitating discussions on diverse educational experiences. Meta AI's participation shed light on the AI's ability to contribute positively to conversations on complex subjects. CleanMax collaborates with Apple to install 14.4 megawatts of rooftop solar installations across 6 industrial sites in India. The partnership reduces approximately 207,000 tons of CO2 emissions, aligning with Apple's ambitious climate goal for 2030. The innovative business model leverages environmental benefits from financed projects to mitigate emissions linked to Apple's activities in India. Lisa Jackson, Apple's VP of Environment, emphasizes the company's commitment to combating climate change through renewable energy initiatives. The collaboration signifies a concreted effort to accelerate renewable energy adoption and reduce carbon footprints in India's industrial sector. WhatsApp is testing a new feature called Recently Online, allowing users to track their contacts, recent online activity more conveniently. The feature adds a new tab in the interface, displaying a limited number of recent active contacts for easy access. This functionality aims to simulate a comprehensive online list of contacts, particularly useful for placing calls with recently active users. WhatsApp is also experimenting with nudging users to engage with contacts they rarely message, prioritizing user privacy with optional visibility settings. The feature, currently in beta testing for select Android users, is expected to roll out to more users in the coming weeks, enhancing user experience on the platform. Adobe announces plans to introduce generative AI video editing tools for Premiere Pro users, enabling easy object manipulation with text prompts. The new tools, powered by Firefly AI, allow users to add or remove objects from videos seamlessly with a single input. Additionally, Adobe plans to enhance audio workflows within Premiere Pro, introducing effect badges and interactive fade handles for improved editing efficiency. The company aims to provide users with advanced AI-backed editing capabilities to streamline the video production process. Adobe's commitment to innovation in video editing signifies a significant step forward in empowering creators with cutting-edge tools and features. Android 15 beta introduces a new feature called Quarantine apps, allowing users to isolate potentially harmful applications. The feature enables users to prevent access to apps flagged as malicious or suspicious, enhancing device security and privacy. Quarantine apps feature, spotted in the latest beta version, aims to provide users with more control over app permissions and security settings. Google's focus on improving device safety aligns with ongoing efforts to mitigate the risk of malware and unauthorized access. while details on the detection mechanism remains unclear. The feature signals Google's commitment to bolstering Android security infrastructure. Google acknowledges user frustration with accidental activation of Circle to Search feature on Android devices. The feature, introduced alongside Samsung Galaxy S24 series, allow users to and circle regions for search using the gesture bar or home button. Google plans to improve the tool's activation mechanism to ensure it triggers only when users intend to use it deliberately. The company aims to enhance user experience by refining Circle to Search activation, addressing concern raised by users. Google's commitment to user feedback underscores its dedication to improving usability and functionality across its Android ecosystem. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
क्या आप जानते हैं 90% ऑफ बिजनेस का फेल होने का रीजन होता है कम्युनिकेशन गैप। नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं विघ्नेश, आपका डिजिटल साथी। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एस फॉर स्लैक एंड शॉपिफाई। शॉपिफाई एक लीडिंग ई कॉमर्स प्लेटफॉर्म है जो किसी को भी अपनी ऑनलाइन दुकान सेटअप करने में अपने प्रोडक्ट बेचने की सुविधा देता है बिना किसी टेक्निकल एक्सपर्टीज के। इसमें आपको मिलते हैं हजारों कस्टमाइजेबल टेम्पलेट्स और फीचर जिससे आप अपने ब्रांड को एग्जैक्टली ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं जैसे आप चाहते हैं। और अब बात करते हैं स्लैक की। ये एक इंट्यूटिव कोलैबोरेशन टूल है जो आपकी टीम कम्युनिकेशन को स्ट्रीमलाइन करता है। इसमें आप अपनी टीम के साथ चैनल्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं जहां आप डिस्कशंस को ऑर्गेनाइज कर सकते हैं और इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर कर सकते हैं, मेकिंग टीम वर्क मोर एफिशिएंट। इन दोनों टूल्स के साथ आप अपने ऑनलाइन बिजनेस में टीम्स को एफिशिएंटली मैनेज और कम्युनिकेशन मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। अगर आपकी वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक, शेयर और फॉलो करना ना भूलना। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट टी के साथ।